Traditional banks are tangled in a web of challenges, integrating outdated legacy systems, managing stringent compliance, balancing customer relationships, and navigating digital transformation. Simetrik unravels the complexity, offering a robust and flexible solution that helps finance and operations teams automate all their financial controls and reconciliations in one place, enhancing compliance and operational efficiency, positively impacting the bottom line of the bank. With Simetrik, you can centralize accounting and operational controls for all your bank's business lines on a single platform. Revenue collection and payment methods, accounting, capital market, loans, digital channels, and many more. Replacing EUCs and eliminating their associated risks, such as lack of control and standardization, security and compliance risks, high levels of human intervention, operational inefficiency, and elevated maintenance costs add to the dependence on individual knowledge and the low traceability of these tools. You will obtain a single source of truth with updated and accurate reports while ensuring the integrity and traceability of the information remain intact. Say you need to calculate the differences between the account balances in the ERP of originated credits and those reported by the consumer credit applications, generate a control of daily balance reports, monitor the issuance and acquiring transactional controls for credit and debit cards, timely control of the complete flow of revenue and expenditure of the entity, manage the reconciliation of revenue reports against trusts, securities, correspondence, remittances, or investment funds. Calculate the differences between the balances in the ERP for ATM dispersion and the balances of savings accounts. Monitor the account balances at each entity branch to ensure they match the reports from the ERP. Or perhaps ensure the consistency of the data recorded in the core banking system compared to the ERP. Similarly, you can build a diverse set of reports depending on your needs or the needs of your C management level, helping them with strategic decisions. Simetrik also generates accounting entries that integrate directly with your ERP system and BI application, and real-time alarms to quickly address any inconsistencies that may arise. How does it work? Simetrik integrates and ingests records from a wide variety of technologies and extracts files containing financial information in various formats. Currently, we have over 1,200 automated connections. Simetrik boasts a configuration interface inspired by spreadsheets with formulas, filters, pivot tables, VLOOKUP, duplicates, and more. And it will allow you to configure reconciliations with multiple matching keys and tolerances. Finally, you can customize your dashboards and alerts and keep your ERP system updated. The best part is that you only have to do it once. From now on, when new information is received, Simetrik will automatically repeat the configured process. You can centralize your controls for incoming and outgoing money and automate all your manual processes, facilitating operational risk management. SOX controls compliance, Basel Accords, including Basel III, and the highest standards of regulatory authorities in a single, secure, and auditable big data platform. With Simetrik, you will reduce reporting times, mitigate risks, maximize cost savings, and customize your business rules to meet your specific needs. Today, Simetrik is deployed at scale with nearly 500 automated controls for the banking industry and ingesting over 170 million records daily for customers in more than 30 countries worldwide. Don't lag behind. Schedule a demo today at simetrik.com.